Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. And I'd like to hear from you guys. Where are you guys watching from? And how is the weather there? Here in Las Vegas, it is getting hotter by the day, so it's definitely the right timing to get to the swimming pool. And I'm here in the northwest area of Las Vegas, and as you can see, my background or the backyard is the mountain. This is a really nice mountain area here, guys, here in the northwest area of Las Vegas. And if you're new to the channel, welcome back. Welcome to the channel, not welcome back. So welcome to the channel, and I'd really appreciate if you can subscribe down below so that you will be able to see my videos on a daily basis touring nice homes here in Las Vegas and across the United States. And also, if you are already subscribed, thanks so much. I really appreciate it, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna tour Lennar, and this is a single story home, 1,760 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And I'm so excited, guys, because with Lennar they have a trademark of everything is included. So let's take a tour of this beautiful home. All right, guys, we are here. Look at this. This is the model Mitchell, 1,760 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is the front of the house, and we're gonna take a look at this beautiful home. Ooh, love the stonework here, guys. Look at this, right? Really nice stonework. So the entrance is on the side. Right? It's on the side. Knock, knock. Ooh, look at this, guys. Oops, sorry about the noise, guys. I didn't know that it will close that hard, but let's take a look at this flooring, guys. Look at this floor. You know, I like lighter floorings because they make the room even larger. And look at this cabinetry, guys. I'm gonna take a closer look. This is definitely a really nice cabinetry. I like the design of, it's very simple, straightforward design. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna span here so that you can see. Right? So good. Okay, so you have this nice, what do you call this? Backsplash. Right. Right. Definitely nice area here, guys. They made the room even larger because of this setup here. Because as you can see, this is really not a big house, but when you look at how it's doing, it's definitely a nice flow from your living area, dining, and then kitchen, right? So let's take a look at the bedroom area here. Ooh, I think this is the garage, right? Yeah. So this is the garage. You have your system there, smart. Oh, wow. There is an office. This is nice. Look at this, guys. You have your old office. Oh, it might be a bedroom because there is a closet here. So you can convert this into a bedroom. But what is on this side? Oh, wow. So there is a separate casita there. But before we go on that casita, let's go back on this. I was confused. Why is there a kitchen there? So yeah, it looks like there is a casita there, but let's take a look first on this bedroom here. Nice bedroom, guys. Not really that big, but definitely nice size bedroom, and it has a bathroom. I love this. I use this in Maryland, guys. This is a nice type of quartz, and you know they use this easy to clean uh, tile there. Look, guys. So it looks to me that this bathroom is shared by another bedroom because I am a little confused. No, it's not. Look at that. So this is the bathroom, and then this is the bedroom, right? So it has its own bathroom, but guests can access the bathroom there. So this is the laundry area. So if you have a dog, guys, I would ask the builder if you can put a small tub here so that you can easily wash the dog without going to your bedroom, right? So just ask them if they can. All right, so we're back to on the main living area. So it looks to me that upon entering the house, you have that one bedroom there, the bathroom, and then the office that I showed a while ago. So let's take a look at the other bedroom area here. This is a pantry. And then this, I guess, is the owner's bedroom. Right, nice. I just would upgrade this with a lot of recessed lighting. As you can see, there's not a lot of recessed lighting here. That's why it's kind of like dark on the video, but definitely you can probably ask them to give you or install a recessed lighting there. Very important, guys. Not too expensive to put recessed lighting. So we're gonna enter this bathroom here. Nice double sink that will prevent divorce. All right, so that's your laundry. Closet. It's not a good sized closet for me. It's kind of small. And maybe because they're trying to maximize the space, right? I don't know if there's another closet, but it looks small to me. But again, you have a bathtub there. I will definitely upgrade this to nice stylings, guys. Especially that wall. I will put like a really nice tiling, modern design there. But this is how it looks like. I like the design of the sink. The square sink is, the rectangular sink, is very nice. And the flooring too. Look at the flooring, guys. I'm gonna show you quickly. It's dark on the video, but when you go here in person, you'll definitely appreciate the brightness of it. And you have your separate toilet area here. So yeah, it's it's not a big owner's bathroom, but at the same time, it's very functional, I think. And we're back to the bedroom area. You can put your TV there. What I like about Lennar is that they have this blinds and also like the large window there. So we're going back to the other area here that we saw. I saw a little bit of a kitchen area. I believe that might be the Casita. But yeah, when I went here a while ago, right? So this is the office. And I went on this side of the house. I was like, what is this area here? So it looks to me that there is a door here from outside. So this is where we enter a while ago, right? So there's another door here where your Casita entrance is. And then once you enter the Casita, you'll be greeted on the right side by your own laundry area. And then also, hello, a really nice full-size bathroom, right? You have your own bathroom here. This is definitely a nice added bonus here. So see how you have your own kitchen here. You can definitely rent this out on a long-term basis, I believe, because Airbnb for certain associations is not allowed. So you can definitely rent this out. This, I believe, I'm just guessing because of this, I think you can rent this out easily for 1,200 because it has its own area here, right? It just doesn't have the cooktop, but definitely some people doesn't really mind. They tend to like eat outside, and then you have your own laundry bathroom here, and then you have your laundry area here, and then you have your own separate entrance from outside, and the bedroom is here, which is currently staged as an office. So this is and then there is a window here from outside. So now I know that this bedroom is for the Casita, which is currently staged as an office. So that is the Casita there, but you can definitely close this so that, for example, if you rent that out, you can close this so that your renter is not going to be able to enter the main house. So let's go back to the main area, guys. So this is the main area, right? That we saw upon entering the door there. And let me span one more time so you can appreciate how nice the open layout here. So there's a total of 3 bedrooms, including the Casita. All right, and let's take a look at the backyard. If we can go out, it's not a big backyard, I can tell already. Oops, there's something that is blocking it, guys. And I don't know what it is. Oh, this one. Look at this, guys. So they purposely installed it so that no one will be able to get outside. So we cannot go outside. But you have an idea that it's not a big lot, but they just gave you an idea that you can put this design there so that you have a little bit of a barbecue area there. So it's not a big lot, right? You cannot put a swimming pool here, guys. All right, so that's your backyard. I just like the color scheme here. It's very, very light and bright. Especially those windows there. They give a lot of sunlight. But I would add more recessed lighting here. There's one there and then one here. But definitely nice to have a lot of recessed lighting. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. What do you think of this house, guys? It has a casita, so I was surprised. I love having a casita in the future because if you have a guest, you can definitely have them stay there. Or if you wanted some rental income without the renter being able to access the main living area, then definitely a casita is a very ideal situation for you. So you have still 2 bedrooms inside this house, and then you can rent out the casita on a long-term basis because Airbnb for certain association is not allowed. So be very careful about that, and really appreciate if you can subscribe. Yes, very important, guys. If you subscribe, you will be able to see all of my videos on a daily basis, and you might see some designs that you might like when you build your own house in the future, or you design your current home. So very important, guys, that you subscribe. And thank you so much because our channel is growing. So you are growing with me here on this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate you, and have a great and amazing day today.